Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InsurTech in Webner. Today in this video, I will give you an overview of AL3 desktop viewer. You can install the AL3 desktop viewer on your local machine, which allows you to view AL3 files with high performance on your machine. As you might already be aware, we also have an AL3 web viewer where you do not need to install anything on the local machine. You can view the contents of the AL3 viewer on the browser, but this local AL3 desktop viewer is much faster. I have already installed WinsurTech AL3 desktop viewer on my machine. Let me open it. As you can see, this is AL3 desktop viewer. To view the contents of an AL3 file, we need to upload the file. I am opening an O2P file here. The file is opened before you. You can see there is an easy view option and the second option is raw view. The difference between them is the raw view shows the original AL3 file values, while the easy view formats the value as to make it easy to read them. The original AL3 values are unformatted, as you will see shortly. Here in the easy view, you can see the basic insured information group where you will find the insured's name. Next, you can see the basic policy information group where we will find the policy number, company code, policy effective date, policy expiration date. As you can see, the full carrier name is shown here in the easy view. Basically, you see the full description of a coded values and other codes like NAIC codes in the easy view. Next, we will move on to the vehicle group where you will see the vehicle year, vehicle make, vehicle model, VIN number. Below the vehicle group, we have its coverages where you will find the coverage code, full term premium, net change premium, limit 1. The dollar values are properly formatted, as you can see, and date values are also formatted and easy to understand in the easy view. Now let's switch to raw view. The tree structure is similar to the easy view. It is the standard AL3 tree structure, but here you can see data values are displayed in the coded form. Let's take a look at some date values and currency values. You can see they are in the raw format, the original format in which the values were packed in the AL3 file by the carrier. Moving on, let's now go through other features of AL3 desktop viewer. You can see the search option is available. Any keyword you want to search on, you can type here. For example, I am entering the data value of VIN number. After clicking on the search button, you will find the group of that element. But when you click on this group and expand it, you will see the searched value. You can also see the row of searched value is highlighted. You can also see the reset button. When you click on this button, all the search history will be deleted and the page will reset back to full data. Next, we have the omit blank values checkbox. By checking this, you can omit all the blank values from the data displayed below. Let me try it on 6 CVA group. As you can see, when I check the checkbox, all the blank data rows hide, and when I uncheck it, the rows come back. The next option is for the download drop down. By clicking on it, you will see there are 3 options. The first option is for the download Excel. When you click on it, you can download this AL3 data into an Excel format. To see what I mean, just click on the download Excel button. I am saving this file in the Excel format. So the file has been saved now. Now I will open the file. So as you can see, the Excel format file. Similarly, we can download this file in the JSON format. Let me try the download JSON option, which basically gives us the data in a simpler JSON format. I am saving this file. So the file has been saved now. And let me open it in Firefox. As you can see, the AL3 JSON data is visible hierarchically. And the last option is detailed JSON. Let me try this also and show you the data. The JSON data contains more detail for each AL3 element here, as you can see. In addition, we can upload up to 5 files in parallel in the desktop viewer. So we can switch from one file to another to view their contents. Let me open a second file to show you how the both files are opened concurrently and you can switch between them. So this is how AL3 desktop viewer helps you view the contents of AL3 files. I hope this video was useful for you. I will be back with another video very soon. For any assistance regarding AL3, Accord Forms, Accord XML and any PNC insurance project, feel free to contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.